Hi everyone. There's a lot of you, and even new drivers, that don't know that if your window is open and you go to lock the car, now I've got a scenic bracelet and this will lock the car. I'll tell you all about this later, but they'll do this, the car locks, windows don't go up, and I'm going to show you how to fix that right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
There's so many people that actually don't know that it's a setting in the locks. So let's go in the car and fix this right away. And at the end, I will show you a little tip that a lot of people don't know either. So stand by for my tip of my day, but we'll do that. So let's go in the car and I'll show you what I mean and how to fix this. So it's very straightforward. So to get to locks, if you don't know, is you press the little car icon on the right or on the left of your screen if you're in a different country, and in the UK it's on the right. You push that, you search for locks, you find the locks. Now all you do with the locks is you scroll right down to the bottom and you will see it. And as you see, it's there. There's a little slider, and all you do is you press the slider to the right, and that's all you need to do. Then we go outside the car and we can now see it working as it should, and then you never have to worry about your windows again. Okay, so we're outside the car, it's open. Now you can lock it how you normally do, walk away, you can put the key fob on it, you can use the key card, you can use the bracelet. So when you lock it, and now the windows will go up. Let's have a look at the tip of the day.
It's the tip of the day.
But an easier way that a lot of people don't realise, if you reach into the car, you press the voice recognition on the right bar here, lock doors. And now it puts the window up because we've done that and the door's locked. Now you don't need to reach in, you can do the same thing from the door open. As long as you just press the button and close it quick. So all you do is you go lock doors and it's locked. And that is that. Well, I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget, please like, share and subscribe. And remember, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers with your help by Christmas. And then we're going to do a few giveaways as a thank you to getting me to 1,000 subscribers. I've got quite a few prizes, nice accessories to your Model 3 or your Model Y. So you will be benefiting from the fact that you've helped me. I will help you. Until the next one, I look forward to seeing you then. I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you've subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Quack, quack. Oops.